Hello, good afternoon guys. This afternoon I'm here in the Gawas. So this is Spider-Man. Guys, good afternoon guys. I'm here and andito na ako sa labas guys. Kakalalabas ko lang guys. You know guys, sa my house, mainang ko ng house. Bali is my favorite place guys. So hindi naman masyadong hot. Mainit guys. So okay lang kay sabay may hangin guys. You know, hindi pa ako sinakakape ngayon kasi wala pa akong budget wala pa akong mga peron kay I think maybe few minutes, few hours, I think mga 4 I'm go to the St. Mary Gondon Elementary School. Basin niya na magpa-impis sa electric pan ba. So matokos mga teacher extra job guys ba. Kaya ako soro yung classroom kung basin dahil napayawa pa malipyan yung electric pan to sa classroom ba. So parang hangin sa ko diri guys kay mga few minutes, few hours later na isa magkita halos di ko makas mong sa phone between with me di guys kay kasi dahil napayawap mamalimpiyod electric pan ba so maka malipyan na to ba maka extra part na to ba kay wala na kayo no matinding pangilianan dagan salamat guys you know.